Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. I'll be looking at this cool item that I just received, and of course it is of this solar charger. And this particular one is basically a power bank, and it's a portable power bank or charger that's used to store power, so you can actually charge up your devices. And of course I thank the guys who sent this over, and of course this is one of the great products that you can purchase online. If anything, I'll have the link below in the description where you can actually purchase this for yourself. All right, so as I said, this is a solar charger. It comes with a whole bunch of features. Let me just show you some of these features, guys, to the side of the box here. And of course it says power your life, power your work. And of course this model is the, if I'm reading this right, that should be the model there. And it tells me here that it's 24,000 milliamp solar charger. Please pause and read this information for yourself. And the box here is a blue and white, and I'm going to open this up. Thumbs up if you have liked this unboxing so far. All right, so here we go, and the manufacturer is Tranmix. So this is a Tranmix solar charger, and thank you guys who are Tranmix for sending this over for review for you guys. And of course, if you want to see more reviews like these, give this video a thumbs up. All right, so it says there's a solar power bank. It's portable solar charger. This is basically the user manual. Gives you a breakdown of the device. Alright, so here we go, guys. And of course, right away, guys, I can tell you this thing is huge. Alright, so there's the USB in the box to another charger that I have, but let's get this out of the package. Wow. And here we have the solar panel itself. So this is the charger. The solar grid here will allow for charging, so once you place this in the sun, it will charge. Okay guys, we're outside, and as you can see here, we're getting direct sunlight, and of course the coverage today is great in terms of there's low cloud coverage, but of course the solar charger itself is fully powered. You know this because of the blinking green light right here, and of course you notice that sun pattern around the green area indicating that this is now using solar power to charge, and you know it's charging as the lights over here are blinking, indicating that power is being sent to the device. Here's the solar panel itself, great for tapping up on energy on the go when you're away from a charge station or of course a outlet. Again guys, great implementation. And of course, even if you're not getting the raw or direct sunlight, as you're seeing now, the sun intensity is picking up, you still can charge even through a window in inside the house. But of course, direct sunlight would be better, as you'll be getting greater efficiency for charging. All right, so as you see here, the device is working flawlessly. And here is a better look in the direct sunlight. Great product. Here we have the side. It has a non-slip grip to the sides. There's the orange and there's the yellow. There's rubber grommets for support here at the sides as well. At the top right here, there is this latch loop, so in case you want to bring this along. At the back of the device right here, guys, it shows you that it's also has wireless charging, which is quite cool, meaning that you can place certain phones onto the surface and it will charge wirelessly. It gives you the specifications on the back along with the model, and there's a various outputs that this thing can perform. All right, so here at the top we have the flashlight, which is very nice, and it's LED powered. The compartment, as shown earlier in the guide, meaning there's a hidden compartment here, and right in here you can see there are several connections. All right, so here we have a blue USB, what looks to be blue USB 2.0. There's a regular output USB port, there's a type C port, and there is a regular micro SD port right there. So let me just hold them so you can actually see them there, meaning that you do not need a adapter brick. Everything can be connected for most smartphones right here. Best of all, there's no need for any cables, as right away, guys, you can actually just use the wireless pad for charging your devices. And if you're not away from an outlet, you can always use the solar side, and of course you can use your regular phone charger to charge this up. All right, so far so good with this product. All right, so thank guys again at Tranmix for sending this over. Next, I'll be seeing how well this works by powering it up and checking it out. Alright guys, so let's get into the second part of the review with the Tranmix Solar Power Bank. Please do remember to show some love by liking this video, and also you can find the purchase link below over on Amazon. Alright, now of course in terms of size, this would be a 10,000 milliamp solar charger as well, but of course notice the size difference. Alright, so this thing is much huger or larger than my regular 10,000 milliamp X Dragon. Alright, but of course this one comes with way more features, and of course makes this one kind of obsolete. Alright, so straight away guys, let's just check this out. So there is a power button to the side right here. It's black, which makes it almost invisible if you're not looking carefully. There are indicators around, so let me just turn this on. There you go. Notice that the charge indicators here. There's also a solar charge indicator right here that's lit differently. That's just right here. This is showing 2 dots, meaning that this thing is at least 50% charge. But of course, if it was showing more LEDs going up here, would indicate that it's has a greater charge. And this is the charge that it came with out of the box. Now, of course, to get this solar charging, all I have to do is just press once and place this in the sun. And of course it would start to charge, and of course that's only in cases where you do not have readily access to the power to charge, like when you're on a camping trip or so on. Check out the LED guys. If I long press for 3 seconds, the LED will come on, and you can notice the illumination. It's a nice brightness, ideal for situations where you need to see in the dark or in some dark areas. And of course, again, this is a very handy feature. You can always turn this off quite easily, turn it on, and of course you can do SOS. That's the SOS feature in case you want to signal that you're in danger. All right, this is the strobe effect. I apologize in case any of you are epileptic. So of course that's another cool feature as well. And this reminds me of most of those cool chargers that you might have. Sorry, not cool chargers, some cool flashlights. Have you seen our channel? I've reviewed several of those high-end tactical flashlights, and of course that's a common staple of those features. So you do get a cool tactical flashlight built in, which is a 2-for-1 deal. And of course, again guys, on the base around here we have the wireless charger, and this is the wireless charger indicator right here. For this to work, you need a phone that has the wireless charge capability device. Go ahead and tap the power button. You'll notice the symbol here. Simply attach your phone. Once you attach your phone, it should light up and start charging. The device will auto detect and adjust the amount of power that's needed to charge the device, and of course it just works, which eliminates the need for cables. So this is one of the best things about this device, in that you can simply get this device out and you do not need any cables as long as you have a newer device. Cables will only be necessary in the older devices. Alright guys, so let's see how well this delivers power. I'm just going to plug this in. There we go. Notice it lights up, and already we're on to charging, and it's saying here, it says 30% charge. It's going to take 1 hour 23 minutes until fully charged, which is about standard for a wall outlet. So as you can see guys, the charging symbol right there. If you check out the battery, it shows that it's charging. Alright, so it's now charging again, and this time it's on the faster amperage. Just a few notes in terms of charging. Notice I switch now to fast charging, meaning that this is the greater amperage charger. So you just saw a while ago it says fast charging, meaning this can be used as a fast charger as well. So the blue port gives way more power, and of course the phone acknowledges it by saying that it's going to take less time. So notice it has reduced from 1 hour and 20 plus minutes to now 1 hour and 13 minutes. Alright guys, so we have connected the iPhone 11. So the iPhone 11 is now charging, and of course it's now 45% charge. Notice again it's charging. You can notice by the LEDs flashing and the green indicator with the lightning on the battery, and of course it's doing well, it's charging up. And this is just normal charge, 45%. Let's see if we can actually achieve fast charging. And I think this time, seeing the higher amperage, we should be getting the same effects as if we had a faster or the larger fast charger for the iPhone. We should be able to see it as long as it charges relatively fast. On iPhone, you can't really tell. You simply have to just watch the speed at which the device charges. But as you can see, we are being charged. And of course, that's always great to see that we're getting more power being delivered to the device. I'll just take a few minutes. Well, I don't have to. I can tell based on the fact that we've just moved to 46% and the time it took to indicate that this is actually getting a lot of power from the larger amperage port. So of course, guys, I can conclusively say if you get this, it will save you on getting a normal charger brick or even a faster charger brick. Another cool feature, guys, is this loop. It's made out of metal again, which means it's very durable. All you gotta do is just simply pop this section up, and then you can connect this to a belt or somewhere where it can simply hang. Overall, I must say, guys, it's a bit heavy, but overall I like the larger solar panel. I like the colors of the orange and black Android device. Overall, again, guys, I love the fact that you have a flashlight on the front with SOS features, the cover flap that prevents water from getting into the port in case of splashes. I also love that this charges by USB-C, which saves a lot of time. Alright, so overall I give this device a full-on thumbs up. It's filled with innovative features, all that you can actually use and utilize, especially if you're in an environment where you're not near to a port. You can actually charge through the sun and get a little charge. Might be enough in an emergency to save your life. I got it from Block Tech Tips, quick tips showing you a full-on review of this solar powered power bank from Tranmix. Thank you guys for tuning in, and bye until next time. Bye guys.